Welcome to SK Lathe Engineers and Traders, manufacturer and exporter of industrial machines and tools. The company was incepted in 1984 at Indore. We are equipped with CAD/CAM software and are in association with Electronics Finance Limited. High operational efficiency and easy modes of monetary transportation help us to grab clientele like Ruchi Soya Industries, Adani Group, and others. We offer a wide variety of industrial tools, lathe machine spares and vertical milling machines. Our lathe chucks, power grinders, and metal cutting machines are superior in performance. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing pipe benders, magnetic products, machine tools, and accessories at market-leading prices. Our pouch packing, automobile, and bench-type drill machines are widely demanded in the market. We are offering a top-notch quality range of industrial gears, CNC tools, and corrugation box making machines. Along with that, we offer cutting tools, Trumix industrial tool solutions, and stone crushing machines that are reckoned all over the world for their superb quality. To get more details, please visit our website www.skmachine.com.